Hi everyone! After 10 long days of riding, I decided to take my family and friends on a short weekend getaway. We spent our time in this beautiful place called The Ranch at Mount Makiling in Santo Tomas, Batangas. It's a perfect blend of nature's tranquility and modern comfort, kaya tara, samahan niyo muna kaming mag-relax for today's video. Driving into the ranch, you already get the relaxing vibe. It's surrounded by trees with Mount Makiling in the background. Parang ibang mundo. Peaceful, quiet, and super inviting. Pagpasok pa lang, mapapansin mo na yung warm and cozy feel ng bahay. Ang ganda ng wood interiors, ang taas ng ceiling, and sobrang daming natural light. This place has 3 spacious bedrooms that can accommodate up to 15 people. Perfect for big families or barkada getaways. 2 of the rooms have private bathrooms and king-size beds, perfect for couples or anyone who wants extra space, and the 3rd room has 2 queen-size beds, great for sharing. Pag kulang pa, don't worry kasi pwede kayong mag-request ng extra beds kasama na rin yung beddings. Isa sa pinaka nagustuhan namin dito guys, lahat ng kailangan mo sa kusina nandito na. May complete kitchenware and cooking utensils kaya hindi na kailangan magdala ng gamit. To make things easier, nagdala pa rin kami ng paper plates and cups para less hassle sa paghugas. Sulit na sulit ang spacious kitchen lalo na sa dami ng niluto namin. For dinner, we had sinigang na baboy, liampo, chicken inasal, ginataang kalabasa with shrimp, and of course, green mangoes with bagoong. Plus, drinks to complete the feast. Masarap din mag-ihaw dito kasi they have the perfect setup for it. As in, ang ganda ng grilling station nila tapos sobrang lamig pa ng panahon. And speaking of outdoor spaces, ang daming pwedeng gawin dito. Look at this pool area. May private pool, jacuzzi, and even a water slide. Sobrang saya mag-swimming lalo na sa ganitong weather. Actually, kahit gabi or umaga, sobrang na-enjoy namin yung pool. Plus, ang dami ring lounge areas for chilling, drinking coffee, or just enjoying the fresh air. Imagine waking up to this view, sobrang peaceful. Pati yung sunset nila, ang ganda-ganda din talaga. And of course, the ranch at Mount Makiling wouldn't be complete without the horses. Kaya nga siya tinawag na The Ranch They have real-life stable with these gorgeous Arabian stallions. Actually guys, kung gusto nyong mag-horseback riding, libre lang yan dito as long as gigising ka ng maaga kasi morning lang sila nagpapaikot. Kung mahilig kayo sa animals and may kasama kayong kids, you'll definitely love this place. Actually guys, another thing that I like about this place, sobrang ganda ng design. As in, ang ganda-ganda niya. Every area is picturesque and Instagrammable. I don't know how to describe it Para siyang ancestral house na sobrang homey ng feeling at the same time yung mga gamit is very well kept. Ganon siya for me. Aside from the aesthetics, I just want to mention na they're also very generous with towels. As in, everywhere may towels that guests can use. Super convenient, lalo na if you're swimming or need an extra. And lastly, we have to mention the caretakers. They're so nice and approachable. Talagang tinulungan pa nila kami with our luggages. It's these small things that make the experience even more special. But before I wrap this up, here are some tips if you're planning to visit. Make sure to bring everything you need kasi the nearest store is quite far. Better to be prepared. The ranch is about 2 hours away from Manila and just 1 hour from Laguna. It's also near SM Santo Tomas, so if you need to do some last-minute shopping, you can stop by there. This is a 7-hectare private property, so hindi nyo naiisipin kung may mabubulabog ba kayo. You can have fun, but always remember to be a responsible guest. At the end of the day, the ranch at Mount Makiling isn't just about the place. It's about the experience. Whether it's the peaceful surroundings, the homey villa, or the time spent with family and friends, every moment here becomes a cherished memory. If you're looking for a getaway that offers both relaxation and adventure, this is definitely the place to be.